Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring your Poco is updated and charged. This prevents unexpected behavior. Once done, open Settings and go to Wallpaper, or simply long press an empty area on the home screen to reach the same menu. Grant storage or animation permissions if the system asks, because the live wallpaper needs access to files and the renderer. Doing this now avoids interruptions later, so make sure permissions are accepted before you continue to selecting a live wallpaper source. Next, pick where your live wallpaper will come from: built-in system options, the Themes app, or a trusted third-party app. Tap a candidate and use Preview to observe animation, orientation, and any battery impact. This step avoids surprises on your home screen. If the picker offers settings, adjust motion intensity, animation speed, and whether it applies to lock screen as well. Taking a moment to preview and tweak ensures the wallpaper behaves as you want across portrait and landscape modes. Finally, apply the chosen wallpaper by tapping Apply or Set Wallpaper, selecting Home, Lock, or both as needed. After applying, watch the performance for a minute. If animations stutter or stop, reboot your Poco first because that clears temporary service issues. If problems persist, reinstall the Wallpaper app or pick a lighter animation. Also make sure Battery Saver isn't restricting background activity. These steps fix most issues, and if that fails, try a different live wallpaper to isolate whether the file or the phone caused the problem.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.